Hello, hello. Welcome to the Peter Parker Show. How's it going, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 gear that I recommend you to wear, not only on a modified bike like mine, but a stock e-bike. There's a study that shows that if there's a 20 mile per hour bike, there's a chance of 95% survival in your crash. But anything going 30 miles per hour, it goes all the way down to 55% chance of survival. And you don't want to know 40 miles per hour, 50 miles per hour, the chance of survival. It's really not great. This is why I'm making a video, because you don't have to go that fast on this bike or on a stock bike, whether it's a Super 73 or whatever e-bike you're riding. As long as you're going over 30 miles per hour, there's a chance that you are going to crash and fall. And it's not like you might fall, it's that you are going to fall. Because everybody that rides a bike knows that there is a time where you are going to eventually lose control and fall. And when that happens, you want to be prepared. Number 5, wear a boot that is made out of leather, specifically a boot that covers your ankles. You want to protect your ankles at all costs. And the reason why I'm stressing this is because when you fall, most likely you're going to glide against the asphalt. And when you glide, your ankles are going to be completely exposed, like it happened to me when I fell off my bike. So you want something that not only protects your ankles, but also protects your feet, and that is nice and tight, and it is made out of a material that is really sturdy, like leather. Number 4, pants. I cannot stress enough, wear motorcycle pants. I know they're expensive. They can go up to $200, $300. That is really expensive for a pair of pants. But the important thing about motorcycle pants is that they have padding in them. And these pads come on your hips and on your knees. Most likely when you fall, you're gonna bounce off your knees or your hips, and you want those to be protected. This is not gonna help you from breaking any bones. When I fell off my bike, I was not wearing my motorcycle pants, and I fell on my hip, and it hurt really bad, and actually the injury lasted for over a month. And I think if I was wearing my motorcycle pants, it would have saved me from having that injury. That not only protects your hips, but it protects your knees. And it's made out of a material inside that is called Kevlar. And Kevlar will help you when you're gliding through the asphalt. It'll help you from getting road rash. Specifically, really nice tight motorcycle pants will help you from not shifting around your waist and your legs, and help you from just not exposing your skin. So you want motorcycle pants to be nice and fit, and you want to wear pads in your motorcycle pants. If you can't wear motorcycle pants, jeans are the next best thing. And the reason why is because jeans are made out of material that is definitely much thicker than any other type of material that you wear. So I would recommend wearing jeans that are nice and tight if possible. The reason why you want your jeans to be tight is because there are many times where people have fallen off their bikes, and because they're wearing loose jeans, they slide off from your waist and go all the way to your ankles and exposes your skin, causing major road rash, which is absolutely completely avoidable if you wear something that's a little bit tighter. Jeans won't save you from major road rash, but it could save you from having more terrible road rash. It just depends on how much you slide through the asphalt. If you are lucky, it could save you from road rash, but it won't save you from breaking any bones and lacerations. Number 3, motorcycle jacket. This one is not a motorcycle jacket, but it's the closest thing. I'll put links in the description below, but this is a e-rider jacket, and the reason why I like it is because it's tight, it's lightweight, but it's thick. It has Kevlar just like the motorcycle pants have. It also has paddings on the joints of your arm and shoulder, elbow, and on your back. When I fell off my bike, I had my jacket on, and it saved my back because I landed pretty hard on it. And if it wasn't for the back pad here, it would have definitely injured me for sure. So I highly recommend you wear a motorcycle jacket or a e-rider jacket just like this. Extra brownie points if you have fluorescent like me, so cars can see you. I know these are expensive, but they could save you from not only getting hurt really badly, but from having really bad road rash. And there's also a video that Fortnite talked about whether motorcycle jackets are actually effective or not. I'll put a link in the description below, but I think that any chance that you can to protect yourself from getting hurt, from breaking a bone, you should take it. Whether there is a 5% chance that will help or a 10% chance, it's still a percent that will help you from getting hurt really badly. And this is an investment. Our bodies are an investment, and you want to invest in your health as much as possible. Number 4, gloves. The second thing that will touch the ground when you fall is going to be your hands. So you want to be protected with that. You want to wear something that it's possibly made out of leather and has padding like this that protects your knuckles. I wouldn't 100% recommend these. Ironically, the brand is called 100%, but I wouldn't 100% recommend these for road rash because this part right here is really thin. But I do recommend these for the padding on the knuckles, which when you fall, you cannot control your body and how it's going to land. But many times people have broken their hands and their knuckles from impact of just crashing on the ground. So I recommend something that has nice padding here for your knuckles. Not only something that is made out of leather that will protect the palm of your hand, but something that will be tied on your wrist that will protect your joints from basically tearing. So you want something that definitely protects your hands and your knuckles as much as possible. Number 1, helmet. Doesn't matter. You gotta wear a helmet. You have to. There is no discussion about this. I've seen so many kids out there riding Surons without wearing a helmet, just wearing, if they are wearing a helmet, they're wearing a bicycle helmet, which will not save you from a crash. When you're riding a bicycle, you'll most likely go 15 to 20 miles per hour. Like I said earlier, there's a 95% survival chance when you go in that speed. But when you're going on these guys and you're going 50 and you're wearing a bicycle helmet, that's not gonna save your life. This will save your life. Not only this is rated DOT, but it also has a full face cover that will protect you if you land on your face first on the ground. This is extremely important. You want something that protects your face as much as it protects your head. I remember I fell on my bike and I was wearing this helmet and I landed on my back, like I said earlier, and I felt a slight tap in the back of my head, which is where you can get brain damage. There's lots of UFC fighters that have basically made a move illegal, which is to hit the back of your head. I think they do that in boxing as well. And the reason why is because you can get really bad brain damage if you get hit in the back of your head. Luckily, I was wearing my helmet, as I always do when I ride my bike. And the first thing that protected me was the back of my head. And I cannot stress enough, guys, you gotta wear a helmet. Not only will protect your head, but a full face cover helmet will protect your face as well. I cannot recommend this helmet because this helmet was really expensive for the design. And it is a very cool helmet. I really like it. I like the visor. I like how comfortable it is. I like that you can remove these little straps here in an emergency situation so you can get out of your helmet safely if you happen to crash and you can't take off your helmet. And the emergency response people will have to take the helmet off using these. But I recommend you guys get better helmets out there that are also DOT, that are better quality, and that are MIPS protected. MIPS is something that is a technology that is used for concussions, and it is very expensive, I know, but it will help you from getting a concussion, and it'll also help you from breaking your skull. I highly recommend you guys get a helmet, especially a full face helmet, and if you can spare the extra money, get one with MIPS, because it's gonna save your life, and it's gonna save your brain, and you can keep on riding if you wear a helmet. If you don't wear a helmet and you crash, most likely you'll never ride a bike again because you will be dead or in a wheelchair. So we don't want that. So highly recommend you guys wear a full face helmet, not specifically this one, but one that you like that is DOT and that hopefully has MIPS on it as well. There's another thing I want to recommend you guys, and that is a GoPro. This won't necessarily save your life. It won't protect you from getting hurt, but I highly recommend you guys get a GoPro, especially a mount like this where you can kind of clip it on your helmet. There's a link in the description below if you guys want to get one, and it helps the channel. This will help you from, let's say there's a car that goes in front of you, cuts you off, and you have the footage of that. You definitely 100% want a GoPro on your helmet or anywhere where you can basically see the road and what's happening around you, because it is very important in times like this where people get away with hit and runs, people get away with just harassing cyclists and bikers, and you want that footage. You want that to cover yourself from someone causing violence towards you or someone putting your life at risk because they're inconvenienced by you. So I highly recommend you guys get a GoPro. And if you want, I would recommend this little clip-on, because it's so easy to take off, and just take off the camera of this and just take off the battery, whatever, and you just clip it back on. Really nice. Highly recommend this one if you guys are looking for a way to mount your GoPro to your helmet. And if you use my link in the description below, it helps me out a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. It helps me be bigger, stronger, faster. And if you guys want to support this channel and you want to get any of the accessories that I was talking about and all the safety gear, there's a link down in the description below with all affiliate links, and it helps out the channel a lot. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.